Ever wondered how to bring the serenity of green spaces into the hustle and bustle of urban living? Urban living often means trading the tranquility of nature for the conveniences of the city. Yet, amidst the steel and concrete, the need for green spaces is ever present. These pockets of nature nestled within the urban landscape are not just visually pleasing, they're essential for our mental and physical well-being. The solution might be a lot simpler and closer to home than you think. Enter the world of vertical gardens, a revolution in urban greening. These are innovative installations, bringing nature to the vertical plane of our lives. They're essentially walls or structures adorned with plants, allowing us to maximize the green footprint in confined urban spaces. How do they work? Well, they use hydroponics, a method of growing plants without soil, and instead using mineral nutrient solutions in a water solvent. The beauty of vertical gardens is their flexibility. They can be tailored to fit any space, be it a small balcony in your apartment or a large wall in a corporate building. Vertical gardens are not just a trend, they are the future of urban living. But why vertical gardens? What's in it for you? Well, vertical gardens purify the air we breathe, turning carbon dioxide into oxygen. They're a space-saving solution, perfect for city dwellers with limited room. And let's not forget their aesthetic appeal, bringing a touch of nature to concrete jungles. Plus, imagine the joy of picking fresh veggies right from your own wall. These benefits can significantly enhance the quality of life in urban settings. So, are you ready to join the vertical gardening revolution? Before you go, we have a small request. If this video has sparked your interest in vertical gardens, show your support by giving it a like. Your engagement helps us spread the word about these innovative green spaces. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on more fascinating concepts like this. Until next time, keep greening up your space.